in today's update from SKDC, we are talking about home monitoring of blood glucose, or we call it as a HMBG. And it is very important tool or very important work of each and every person who has diabetes. This is like checking your sugars at home on a glucometer. There are lots of, I will say, misunderstandings or myths. They say no, glucometer is not right, it shows wrong sugars, this lab is very good, the glucometer shows high sugars. They compare two labs. Then I tell all my patients, the lab or meter which is showing high sugar is correct. So always go for the higher reading which actually benefits you. But a standardized glucometer is good. Nowadays with all good companies you have a standardized glucometer. So do not have any kind of a doubts about it. Use the glucometer for your own benefit. Home monitoring of blood glucose need to be structured. Like if someone is checking glucose at home, there has to be like maybe at fasting, then 2 hours after breakfast, 2 hours after lunch, 2 hours after dinner. It can be pre-breakfast, pre-lunch, pre-dinner. So we call it as a 7-point profile. So these become 7 times sugar in a day. Or sometimes we ask people to do at 3 o'clock early morning. This is the time when your sugar can go down or there is a hypoglycemia. So 3 am glucose reading is also important. So out of these 7-8 readings, every person need not check all the readings. So your doctor we give a prescription of home monitoring of blood glucose that you need to check your glucose every Monday 3 times in a day, or 4 times in a day, or maybe 7 times in a day, which can be sometimes once a week, twice a week, once a month, once in 15 days. This is different for every person with diabetes at every visit. So you should always take and ask for a prescription that how many times I should check my glucose. If it is structured, then it helps, because if our glucose remains in a range throughout 24 hours, it is very important for your blood vessels to remain healthy. Suppose we put up a range, so if it is moving between 90 and 160 throughout the day, it is best. Every person with diabetes should have the range at least 70% of the time. The range should be within the range, which is called as time in range. So if someone's time in range is good, if someone's all 4-point profile is good, automatically that person's A1C remains very good and the complications of diabetes are very low. So checking glucose at home with a proper prescription of your doctor is very important. Do it in a structured way. Just doing it randomly sometime will not benefit at all, actually will create more confusion. So do it in a proper way. Also, checking glucose at home helps everyone to avoid hypoglycemia, which is a dreaded problem whenever someone is on the treatment. So that also been taken care of if we are checking glucose at home. So use this tool of home monitoring of blood glucose in a structured way to have a good time in range, to have a good A1C, and also to avoid hypoglycemia. Thank you.